Hey, Just Studies. This is Mrs. Horton without a mask because there's no one in the room, just FYI. I just wanted to touch base, and share with you the assignments you need to do this week. There's two. So the first one is this assignment. It says online students only. It's a Nearpod. So you're going to click on this, and it's going to give you information about sources, which is what our big unit is on this week. So you just click on it and it should send you right to the Nearpod, which looks like, wait for it, it's happening. Should have clicked on it earlier, sorry. Which looks like this. So I click join the lesson and it's going to walk you through the slides. There's a little quiz at the end, which helps make sure you understand everything. When you're finished with that assignment, sorry, your copy will be up here on the right. When you're finished with that, and when you go to turn it in, you're going to do like all of these other people have done, and you're going to just add a comment that says done. And that lets me know you finished it. Also, the fact that you turned it in, but it makes it a little clearer for me. The other thing that you need to do today, if you have time, or sometime this weekend, is this assignment, which is about Rosa Parks. It's a Google slideshow, which is handy and nice. We appreciate that. But you're going to use primary and secondary sources, which is what we've been talking about, to figure out where she actually sat on the bus, Miss Rosa Parks. So this gives you a little bit of checks to see what you know about her story. This is a video that tells you about her life and why she's important. You're going to write right in these boxes. So you need to follow the instructions on each of the slides. And then when you're done, you're going to turn that in, and that's how I'll know it's finished. So I've had 5 people turn it in for first period, and I'm sure a few for third. So when you're done with the Nearpod, so this guy, you're going to do this assignment about sources on Rosa Parks. Those are just the 2 things you need to do this week. The other thing is, if you have not downloaded a student planner, which is going to be on this website. So it's tinyurl.com/WL Planner. When you click on that, it looks like this. So you're going to make a copy. And it's thinking about it. You're going to want this planner for the rest of the semester for sure. On this planner, it has a calendar. So it's got a calendar for this whole quarter. So August, September, and into October. It tells you when parent-teacher conferences are. So even if you're doing online, we can set up Zoom conferences or Google Meets with your parents if we need to. It also tells you when the end of the quarter is so that you know when grades are. Usually midterms is around the same time as parent-teacher conferences. So around the 24th of September, you should have a really good view of where you're at for the term so far. Then it also has a weekly objective. And starting on Monday, when we do the Google Meets during class, I'm going to show you an objective every day, and I want you to write it in your planner. Obviously, this is the wrong week because this is week 1. But if you go in, here's week 2 for quarter 1. So starting on Monday, if you're in first or third period, I'm going to give you an objective, and you're going to write it in here. And then when we do assignments, you can write them in here. All assignments will just be due on Friday. So if we do something in class on Monday and you don't quite get it done, just know that I want it turned in sometime by the end of the day on Friday. If you have any questions about this or about anything, you can shoot me an email. I'm also going to be available today starting at 8:41 until 9:27 on Google Meet, and I will put that code in our announcements. So if you want to check the announcements page, that's where it's going to be. If you have any other questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one.